Now at this point, we'll begin making our way towards the banks of the Sanfi River. The Sanfi River is known to be home to hippos, so with any luck we might be able to see a hippopotamus this evening. During the daylight hours, hippos typically stay in the water, but they'll come out onto the banks at night, and that's to feed on grass and vegetation. In fact, hippos can eat 80 to 90 pounds of grass at night. They are herbivores after all. That means they feed exclusively on plants.
Oh,
but right now, if we're lucky enough to see a hippo, it'll probably be in the water. It's still pretty early.
I think it's somewhere right there.
Alright friends, to the left, behind that island, I see a whole group of hippos. Does anyone know what a group of hippos is called? It's called a bloat. A bloat of hippos. A hippo's call is a wheeze honk, and it's also a sign of dominance. When a hippo emits a wheeze honk, the more hippos that respond, the more dominant the individual is. We typically make those wheeze honks at night. We can also see some pink-backed pelicans on that island to the left. Pink-backed pelicans get their name from the color they develop during mating season. But right now it's not mating season, so they're pelican gray color. Pink-backed pelicans are typically found in groups containing 20 to 100 pairs of pelicans. And both male and female pink-backed pelicans will raise the young. We do have another view of the hippo back on the left as well. Believe it or not, the hippopotamus is considered to be the most dangerous animal in Africa. And that's despite the fact that they're herbivores, which again means they feed exclusively on plants. Oh, but speaking of danger, to the left I see Nile crocodiles. Nile crocodiles can grow to be as long as a giraffe is tall. That's 18 to 20 feet. And they have a bite force of 2,000 pounds per square inch.
That's scary.
So with that, maybe we'll leave the river and begin making our way towards the savannah. To the right, I do notice a baobab tree. Baobab trees are also known as upside-down trees because their branches look like roots. And they can remain leafless for 9 months out of the year.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
At this point, we are approaching an overlook of the savannah. These savannah lands stretch for miles and miles and are home to many African animals. We're going to make our way down and explore and try and see some animals up close today. Alright friends, to the right, at the bottom of this embankment, we can just see some small brightly colored animals. They're feeding in the grass. Those are springbok. We might get another view of them as we go around. Springbok are small, but don't be deceived by their size. If you're 6 feet tall or under, those little springbok on the right can jump right over you. They also can leap 13 feet across, so springbok can jump in one side of this truck, all the way across and out the other side.